We're going to Vivid. I'm gonna catch the train. It's cold. It's my tour guide for today. It's my tour guide. I see a lot of food, guys. I'm so excited to eat! Ah! So excited to eat, guys. There's a lot of food, guys, and I'm hungry. Dubai Cup?
Ayoko bumili.
I saw it. Going to our next destination pa lang, pero natatakam na yung lahat. Kukunin na kami ni Lord. We're in the night market, y'all. So we're gonna ride metro, guys, to go to zone 4 or zone 3, I think. Ay, grabe naman. Ay, may pangiswa. Overrun ako, maraming tao. Matandyan ka, bro! Agay ba? Saan tayo sa Martin's Place, no? Martin Place? Martin's Place.
Wait lang.
We're in Martin's Place.
Apat lang dito.
Ng dessert and I want matcha. Matcha? Wow! 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 Wow, I feel so hot now. I feel so hot. Nagulat ako like, ako kahoy. Ang pogi na nabibin.
35? What is up?
That's good.
Only Coco. Coco.
I like chili powder as well and some pepper.
Some of the best I've ever seen. Oh yeah, come on guys!
Ang sarap ng food! We are na!
Good night, Araneta.
Wow. Oh, good night, y'all. That's it for the vlog.